Good afternoon. I'm Gregory Pope, founder of SpinalSurgeryMexico.com. This is November the 14th, 2022. I'm here to pick up Karen and her husband Danny. Karen is coming from Dallas, Texas to have a lumbar surgery with Dr. Mario Salmon, MD, FACS. I hope you enjoy watching the video.
Hello everybody. I'm doing house call again in San Miguel de Allende at Casa Marino. Now for one of our last patients, Karen Bedell from Texas. She came here to have lower back surgery. She did have a spondylolisthesis between L4, L5, and S1. And we did the surgery foraminotomy, bilateral foraminotomy at those levels, L4, L5, and S1, and put transpedicular screws with a dynamic system, not in order to fuse, but to stabilize her spine. We put screws in L4, L5, and S1. And here I am, visiting her in her 7th post-operative day. And I think she's very comfortable and doing great after surgery.
How are you, darling? Good.
Oh, wow.
I know, I'm good. Getting
Very
up and
good.
down, it's just...
Very good. May I see your scar? It's clean. I won't take it
it's
out.
very clean. When
Yeah.
I changed it, it was perfect.
Great, and there is no hematoma here. That's great. Super.
I just started walking. I've been laying in bed. I mean, it's been hard.
Yeah,
She's
as
doing
you
so much
just said,
better.
everybody is very different.
Right.
She's doing so much better. She's been getting up on her own, and
Oh yeah, I don't have a problem doing that now.
Are you happy so far?
I'm happy that we got it done, yes.
Okay.
Yes, and I'm happy with you and here and everywhere. I think I'm in a good place for going, if I have to go through it, I might as well do it
Yep.
here. So, yes,
That's
no
great.
regrets. But everybody's been great.
That's
And
good.
as soon as we got here, having the toilet riser and the walker, all that was very, very helpful.
helpful.
The beds are super comfortable. So, yeah.
Great.
Go out there and let's just, enjoy the sunshine and being outside. Claudio, I still can't brag on him enough. He's such a good soul, too.
Yeah.
He's good to talk to, and he knows what he's doing. So he gave me exercises today. Today's the first day we're working on mobility.
Okay.
He's
Perfect.
been using ultrasound and all the massaging until then, since I got here.
yeah, I think that it was the best option to have her away from home. Because if she would have been home, she would have been trying to do, she can relax and heal. And I think this has been great. It's given her an opportunity to just kind of relax and let her body do what it needs to do.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you. Oh, thanks for taking care of me.
My pleasure.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
Good afternoon. My name is Gregory Pope, founder of SpinalSurgeryMexico.com. Today I'm with Karen and her husband Danny. But at this time, what I'd like to do is I'd like to introduce Karen and let her tell you about her experience on coming to Mexico to have a spine surgery that includes Star Medica, the drive service, the stay at Casa Marino, and she's only 7 days post-op. She's got 1 more week to go, but so far Claudio's been working on her, our physical therapist. He has a master's degree. He's very knowledgeable in what he does, and every day she's getting better and better. But at this time, I'll let Karen tell you her experience. Thank you for watching the video, and if I can help you in any way, please reach out to Gregory Pope at SpinalSurgeryMexico.com or give me a call at area code 772-419-8061. Thank you very much.
Hi, my name is Karen Waddell, and I am from Texas. So after dealing with back pain, and it was getting progressively worse, we decided to seek out treatment. I had tried yoga, stretching with a trainer, acupuncture, all those things. We went to a neurosurgeon in Fort Worth, Texas, and then we traveled to Oklahoma City to one. And that just wasn't the route we wanted to go, and it was very, 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 very expensive. So my husband found, we tried one medical tourism company first, and it took weeks, and they didn't get back to us very fast. And so then my husband found Mr. Pope, and so then I filled out the online form, and Mr. Pope reached back within minutes, he was calling me. I knew immediately that I was dealing with a professional. He was informative. He had a great personality. I submitted the x-rays and all the reports that he needed to see if I was a candidate. Mr. Pope and I corresponded almost daily. He made me feel very comfortable. Within a matter of a couple of days, Dr. Salmon had approved me for the spinal stabilization surgery. We received the estimate for the cost of surgery and the recovery, and it was very fair. So we scheduled for about a month out. I wasn't nervous or scared at all. We watched others' testimonials, and Mr. Pope and even Dr. Salmon himself was just a phone call away. It was very reassuring. From the moment we arrived at the airport, we've been greatly taken care of. Dr. Salmon met us in the lobby at the hospital, and he was just so great. He was kind and helpful. Check-in was quick, and the room was clean and spacious. I don't have any complaints. Maybe I wish I'd known a little bit more Spanish before we got there, but the nurses were fine. Everybody had a translation app, and we got by. Surgery went great. The anesthesiologist spoke great English. He made me feel very, very comfortable, very at ease. I had a slight concern after the surgery, but Dr. Salmon acted immediately. He made sure I was okay. However, my recovery really began as soon as I arrived here at Casa Marino. My room was set up to accommodate my needs, from the beds to the cheery room, the awesome private patio, the food, oh my gosh, it's delicious. And then Claudio, the physical therapist. He has been such a light in all this for me. He not only is highly skilled at his job, but he's just a good soul. My husband has enjoyed the city. He's gotten out and walked around every day, and no complaints. I know that this is where I was supposed to be. I'm improving more and more every day. So, happy I made the choice. And thank you very much. Thank you, Dr. Salmon. Thank you for Mr. Pope. It's been a great service.